Jerdon JPT25W 25W replacement light bulbs for lighted mirrors. The Jerdon JPT25W 25W light bulbs replacement pack is ideal for replacing existing bulbs that have grown old and burnt out. These 25W incandescent bulbs are specifically designed for lighted mirrors. These bulbs are a quick fix for your mirror in need and come in a 2-pack. The Jerdon JPT25W 25W light bulbs replacement pack come with a 1-year limited warranty that protects against any defects due to faulty material or workmanship. The Jerdon Style Company has earned a reputation for excellence in the beauty industry with its broad range of quality cosmetic mirrors, hair dryers and other styling appliances. Since 1977, the Jerdon brand has been a leading provider to the finest homes, hotels, resorts, cruise ships and spas worldwide. The company continues to build its position in the market by both improving its existing line with the latest technology, developing new products and expanding its offerings to meet the growing needs of its customers. Mermaid Love Queen Mermaid with Seahorse Compact Mirror. I fell in love with Pearla the moment I set eyes on her. The mirror I currently keep in my purse is round with the actual mirror exposed and I have to wedge it between two objects if I need to use both of my hands while peering into it, so when I saw this I had to buy it. I'm so glad that I did. The thing appears to be of excellent quality. It is clean all around, shiny, and the picture is aligned perfectly on the top. It looks exactly as pictured. It isn't difficult to open and it snaps closed securely. The hinges are just tight enough that it stays propped open at any angle, so now I don't have to do any wedging. It also came in a cute little cardboard box with a fluff logo on it, further ensuring that the exterior was free of smudges and stuff. I love this mirror. Mermaid Tabletop Clear Square Mirror 360-degree Swivel Vanity. Needed a new makeup mirror to replace an old school light-up one I had. This mirror is affordable, easy to assemble and looks great. I definitely miss have a built-in light, but whatever. The only thing I'd change about this mirror is I do wish it was framed. I'm afraid that a corner might get snapped off if it. Besides that, it's been perfect for my daily makeup needs. Cremo Heavy Duty, Break Resistant Fog Free Mirror, 7 inches. Heavy Duty Polycarbonate Mirror, break and shatter resistant. Easy mount with adhesive hook included. Simply place the mirror under hot shower water for a few seconds and it will warm, giving you a fog-free shave experience. Beano the Contempo 9.5-inch Rectangular Mirror. Beano the Contempo 9.5-inch Rectangular Mirror.